morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a really chill, relaxed video. It's going to be a little bit of a spend the day with me, getting things done. I'm getting a lot of things prepped for Thanksgiving, along with cleaning and cooking and just general things that have to be done. So I figured it'd be fun if you guys went along with me. So let's get started. And this drawer was really out of whack. I had let it go for a really long time and just threw things in here on top of everything. But I wanted to get it back in order. And if you guys don't organize your drawers like this, I highly recommend, because it's super, super easy to find everything. So now that I've got some cleaning done, all we've got to worry about tomorrow is the cooking. So I'll see you tomorrow. I don't know if it's just me, but it seems like I get a second wind at night. Like, I have not cooked all day long. I've ate leftovers and a really quick potato that I just threw in the oven. And at 12 o'clock at night, I make myself homemade Alfredo.
Where you going? What I'm done.
And look at this pillow. It lights up. It's so cute. This little Christmas tree. And this little one with Santa coming down the chimney. They're all so cute. So before we could start on any of the cooking, I had to head out town and get a few things that we were missing. Of course, I had to run by TJ Maxx and look at all their Christmas stuff. I had to refrain myself from getting a lot of it because it's all so stinking cute. But then we just went to Aldi's and picked up a few things, went to Kroger's, and then it was time to head back home. And now on to all of the desserts. We made a ton of them, and it was so much easier to make them the night before than the day of. We made cranberry crunch, peanut butter pie, 7-layer bars, and cherry delight. And I'm going to give you guys all of the recipes and details in my next video coming up on Sunday. These are just a little sneak peek, but these are so good, and our family always loves them. And thank you guys so much for spending some time with me today. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I hope this gave you guys some cleaning motivation and some cooking inspiration for your upcoming holiday get-togethers. And keep an eye out for that video on Sunday. It'll have all the recipes for all of our favorite family desserts in it. So that's all I've got for today. Thank you guys again, and I will see you on the next one.